Hello there! Just to remind you, you're watching the Art Maquette YouTube channel, and this is a new video from our workshop. This is a new project by our team, by our studio. We have been working on it for a really long time, and we have put a lot of effort in it, and we've used a lot of resources, both creative and technical resources, and the result has exceeded all the expectations. So you're welcome to enjoy. Don't forget about likes, and of course don't forget about comments if you have any. And just in case you're a new person here, click the subscribe button and ring that bell down there, and please enjoy. Thanks for watching.